this video, I'll show you the ultimate guide to importing from China without using agent with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know from yourself, I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or iFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about China importation business with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome my friends. So let's see how to buy on 1688 step-by-step tutorial without using agent. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of videos step by step on how to add an item to cart. After you have successfully added the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to fill your cart. So these are all the items I'm going to purchase from different store on 1688. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select all the items. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So I'm paying the sum of 278.80 yuan to purchase all these items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. When I click on here to proceed to payment, and I click on here to confirm my payment, enter my payment password. So right here you see we purchased from different 5 stores on 1688 at amount of 278.80 yuan to purchase all the items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. Then by the time I refresh my profile, all the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So as you can see right here, these are the 5 different items we purchased from different stores using 1688 Chinese shopping app without any agent. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or iFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.